Very special good morning to all the student. Your English teacher is back with a new video or new video lesson. And last week we have discussed about the article, right? We have discussed that article is divided into two groups. The one is definite group where we learn about the article, okay? And we know the article we will use for a specific, a particular use of the article. Now in this class we are going to learn about indefinite article A and N, where to use, how to use, that all things we will discuss. Okay, so we know about article that today we are going to discuss about indefinite article. A and N comes under indefinite article. Okay, is it clear? Okay, next. So we know that from our previous knowledge that in English language 26 alphabets, where that is divided into 5 vowels, 1 group, and 21 consonants. We already know 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U, right? That we already know the sound. So what is vowels and what is consonants? Vowels means swara, consonant means vyanjan, right? So there is a particular sound for every word in English. Every alphabet there is a particular sound, right? So A, E, I, O, U comes under vowels and 21 other consonants. Okay, is that clear? Next. So where to use indefinite article A? Okay, so A we will use before the words beginning with the consonants. Okay, clear? 5 vowels, 21 consonant. So A article we will use with consonants only. And we will use N article with the vowels. A article we will use with consonants, and an N article where we will use with the vowels. Okay, also we will use with the letter H, which is not sounded. H is a silent. There also we will use N article. Is it clear that where to use indefinite article A and N? A article we will use with consonants and N article we will use with vowels. Okay, next. So some examples of N article. Okay, we will use N article with vowels. So examples are an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. You can see A, E, I, O, U. You can see, right? A, E, I, O, U. They all are vowels and we will use N article with them. Is it clear? Very simple. Next. Okay. So I repeat one more time. A, E, I, O, U is vowel and we will use such as a example N article. Next. Exception of N article. I told you in the beginning of definition of N article that where H word is silent, there also we will use N article. See, technically H is silent here with honest, honesty, hour, honorable, honry, here, heiress. There H is silent and other all are O and E is vowels. O and E is vowels. So we will use N article here. Is it clear? It is also very simple that because O and E is vowels, so we will use N article where H is a silent. H is not sounded. H is not sounded. Okay. Next. Where to use A article? Now N article it was very simple that N article we will use with vowels. Now we will discuss about where to use A article. First, we will use A article with in general. When we talk about anything in general, then we will use A article. Like a TV, a watch, a ball, a bat, a book, a ship. Okay, so we will use A article. It's very simple. Second, we will use A article with the consonants that I already discussed, that N article with vowels and A article with consonants, right? So we will use, like for example, a watch, a student, a class, so many. Okay, and here you'll see the first word is W, the first word is S, not A, E, I, O, U. The first words are different, right? So these are consonants. Next, we will use A article when we talk about anything first time. When we talk about anything first time, then we will use A article. For example, a beautiful tree. I saw a beautiful tree in garden, right? I saw a wonderful actor in a drama, right? So that we are talking about first time, first experience. Then we will use also A article. Simple. Next, we will also use A article with singular countable noun. Where we will use a article with singular countable noun. For example, a few things. I purchase a few pen, right? So a we use here to talk about the singular countable nouns. Noun and pronouns we will discuss in our next classes. Okay? Is it simple? Next. So few more examples that I will ask to you students, that what we will use here. The first word is European, university, unity and unique. Okay, unique. So what we will use here, my question is, because the first word all are A, E, I, O, U, E, U is used. So what we will use technically? Right, vowels are there. So we will use an article. Right, so we will use an article here. Is it correct? No, it is wrong. Okay, we will use a article here. With all these words, we will use a article. Why we will use a article here? Let me explain. The word European, university, unity, unique, these are also exception for a articles. So the words end with the Y sounded, pronounced as a Y, like university, unity. There also we will use a article. And also, see, I told you vowels and consonants are what? Swara and Vyanjana. It is divided with the sound words. So when you pronounce European, you will not pronounce E, you will use A, right? You will use A, right? European, university, unity. Those are sound. You notice on your sound, it start with A, and which is vowel, right? So we will, so that's why we will use here A article. It's very simple. Don't confuse if words start with vowels, but we will use as a article because the sound is different. Okay, clear? Next. Okay, now let's practice few more examples that we will use a article or an article. Okay, very simple. The first one, he is unknown guy. Second one, he is educated person. The third one, this is uniform rule. The fourth one, my father is MBBS doctor. You are not ugly girl. Okay, so these 4-5 examples let's discuss first. The first here, you can see, right? U is here, U is vowel. So what we will use? An article we will use here, right? We will use an article here. It's clear? An article we will use. Second one, he is educated person. E is used here. E is what? A vowel. So we will use again here an article. Correct? Okay. Next one, this is uniform rule. So what we will use here? A or N. It is also very tricky, right? So you should notice on the sound when we say uniform, we again pronounce as a starting with the A words, right? So that's why we will not use N here. We will use A article. Clear? You are getting my point, right? Okay. So next, my father is MBBS doctor. Now this one is also very tricky. So here M is used. M is not a vowel. It's a consonant. So technically what we should use? We should use a article. But no. Here we will use, an article. Again an article we will use. Why? So in words like MBBS or one more word I can say MP. Right? Madhya Pradesh. MP. So in both words when you pronounce MP and a sound will come, right? So that is a swara. So we will use an article again here. Okay. The next one, you are not. U is used here. U is a vowel that we already know. So again we will use here an article. It's very clear. Okay. Let's refresh our previous knowledge and let's refresh the article. So the last time I got one confusion in this example. This is a pen. This is the pen. Which one is the right example? Can you tell me which one is right example? This is a pen or this is the pen? I will say both are right. Because this is a pen. When we are talking about this example, this is a pen. This A is any pen. Okay. Here we will use A for any pen. It's a random. But this is the pen. So here the we use because the is a particular. This pen is given by my principal for my birthday gift or maybe a particular special pen, right? So that's why we use this is the pen. It's very clear. So some examples we have discussed of A, N and also the article, right? So here we have one practice. Okay, let's practice with A and N. Okay, that I will discuss only one or two, rest all you should practice at home. Okay, the first one, man and woman are sitting opposite to man. A singular countable noun, right? A man and a woman are sitting opposite. It's very simple. Second one, during our holidays we stayed at a hotel. We will also use a article here. Okay, rest all you can practice at your home. Second, one more very beautiful worksheet for you students. That worksheet is very interesting. This worksheet is a story. This is story about a mouse, a cat and a magician. Right? We know this very famous quotation in Hindi frame. Right? कुत्ता बिल्ली से डरता है. Right? Sorry, बिल्ली कुत्ते से डरती है. कुत्ता इंसान से डरता है. Right? चूहा बिल्ली से डरता है. That we frame we already know. Similarly, here this is story about a mouse, a cat, a dog, a magician. You can read at home and you should fill a, an or the which article we are going to use, that you need to fill in this worksheet. This is for your practice at home. Okay, this is all about our indefinite article a and n. Okay, thank you so much all the students, and please let me very soon you must send all the answers of worksheet to my WhatsApp number, also as usual in group. Thank you so much.